some full body cardio. We'll do 40 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And here's a little overview. So now we're going to go over the movements. Our first movement is a burpee. You're going to jump at the top, jump down into a plank. Here's from the side. You can do a push-up at the bottom if you want. Come back up and jump. So that'd be 1 rep. Here's with a push-up. And jump at the top. That's also optional. So if you just want to do a half burpee, you're going to jump half up like that. Jump back down, no push-up. And there you go. Now we have some mountain climbers. Again, you're going to get into your plank position. You're going to bring your knees into your chest like you're climbing a mountain. Make sure your elbows are aligned with your wrists and your shoulders. Here's an alternating L hold. You're going to bring one leg straight up, one leg straight down, hold it. Make sure you're really engaging your core. You can put your hands on your hips if you want or out to the side to support you. Here's some toe taps. So you can either go up in one motion where you bring your legs down as well with your torso up, or you can bring your legs up and alternate which side you're tapping. So I prefer this variation, but sometimes it's nice to lower your legs as well. So this is up to you. So here we have some skiers or some skaters. You're going to jump into a curtsy lunge, touch down at the bottom, which is also optional. Make sure your weight is in the heel of your front foot and that you're not banging your knee on the ground. Here we have some penguins. So these are kind of like side toe taps, but you're going to just lay down and use your core to move your body to the side and touch your toes.